This sprinkler head has been broken more times than the McDonald's ice cream machine. Why? Because, well, it's right here next to the driveway, and somebody, I'm not gonna point any fingers, can't keep their tires on the driveway. So let me show you how to fix this and how to keep it from happening again, hopefully. Okay, so normally whenever you have a sprinkler head like this down here, it is coming up from a PVC pipe, and it's got this thing called a riser, and then the sprinkler head screws onto the riser. Now, whenever you run over this with your vehicle, you're putting pressure straight down, and what will happen is this will bend, and it usually breaks the riser. Usually that sprinkler head is still okay, but the riser breaks. So the solution for that is actually pretty cool. So what we're going to be using today instead of a traditional riser is what's called a swing joint. So a swing joint is this. So we're going to put this on here like so. And then this will screw down where the riser goes, but what's cool about this is it's flexible. So it's going to move the sprinkler head over a little bit, but what this does is allows you to have this connect to your main water source. Your sprinkler head is here, and now if pressure comes and pushes this down, it just moves this riser joint, and without breaking it like the normal riser does. So these are great next to your driveways or areas where equipment might be driving over your sprinkler heads to hopefully keep those risers from breaking and allow your system to be a little bit more resilient. So yeah, these swing joints are super cheap and hopefully can save you from hundreds of dollars of repairs or just a lot of frustration in the future by using these next to places like driveways. Let's dig this up, let's put this in and see what it looks like. Hoping it's just the riser that's broken. Oh no, it's worse. Dadgummit. Alright, we have a bigger problem. Actually, the line that feeds the sprinkler broke in this case. Riser looks okay. Sprinkler head looks okay. So we're gonna have to dig this out a little bit further. Put a new elbow on here, and then we will still install that swing joint. This just got a little bit more annoying because I don't have the parts on my truck to do this. So let's dig it out. It's a clean cut here because it's kind of jagged. All right, so we can see what the problem was. The car pushed this down and just snapped the PVC pipe here, the 1/2-inch pipe. So I will go purchase an elbow to glue onto that pipe, which will then come up a threaded elbow, slip to threaded elbow, and we'll get this replaced and get the swing joint put on. So instead of like this, it's gonna look like this when we're done. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
That's all you need?
Biggest sale of the day, I'm sure. Drive over here for 49-cent part. See, I'm not an irrigator, so a real irrigator would keep all this on their truck. All right, let's get back to work. So we need to glue this piece on. I'm just gonna use this to make sure that I've got it, when I glue it on, I've got it straight up and down. And then I'm gonna take this out and put this on. Got kind of muddy in here. That's not good. That appears to be a cable that is cut. The question is, Is it important or not? Oh, that's a root. That sure looked like a wire. Golly. Got me all worried for a second. Okay, this has gotten very messy. Let's clean this pipe off. Don't worry, we'll flush it out to flush the mud out of it. Primer and glue. What the primer's for? Cleaning these. Oh yeah, gotta primer my fitting too. Come on, glue. Okay. Let that dry for a little bit. All right, let's take out this riser and let's put our swing joint on. Now before we put the sprinkler head on, I'm actually gonna flush the mud out. So I'm just gonna kick this system on, or this station on for like 5 seconds. Shoot out the line, make sure there's no mud still in the line that would clog our head. Okay, so this clip will be on my phone, like the intro. Okay, we should see a little geyser kick up here. Oh, see all that mud that came out? That was a lot. I didn't actually record, did I? I guess you'll be able to see it on this. So I didn't hit the record button on my phone. Okay, now we can screw this on. And we gotta adjust the spray pattern where we want it to be. Now you can see that if this thing gets run over, we're gonna have it sitting down, something like that. If it gets run over now, it's just gonna flex. And hopefully not break anything this time around. So let's kick it on again. We'll adjust our spray pattern and then bury it, and we're good to go. Good news and bad news. Good news, that's working now. Bad news, that one's leaking too. You see that bubbling up right there? Same thing happened to this sprinkler head. So we're gonna have to check and see what's broken there. Is it the PVC pipe or is it the riser? Yeah, so both of these heads have been hit. You see it bubbling? You can see it better now. That's not supposed to be doing that. Fill this back in. Can't remember how the puzzle went together. more soil back tomorrow to fill in around here. And tomorrow we'll come back and fix that one as well. So there you go. That was supposed to be a simple video to show you the difference between a regular riser and a swing joint. But of course, anytime you're doing DIY projects, things don't go to plan.